I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help.
So if you have not been here before, welcome to my channel. My name is Kishante Chantel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. So we are doing a review of some products today. This is the brand Kim Chi. So this brand went viral on TikTok. They are known for their setting powders, and from what I've heard, the girls say that it's giving what it's supposed to give. So of course I had to pick up some products and show you. So if you're interested in this review and you want to see these products and this little try on, then stick around and stay tuned because we're going to jump straight into the video. So first things first, I want to talk about the Puff Puff Pass. This is the translucent setting powder. Now, the banana powder in the pressed went viral. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it because you guys sold it out. So
I'll do the best I can with what I got.
I was only able to get my hands on the translucent, which is still good because, you know, we're gonna try it. You're gonna see if I like it, if it's giving what it's supposed to give. I always like to give honest reviews on my channel because before you waste your coin, I'll waste mine and let you know if it's good or not. So first things first, I got this powder. I absolutely love the packaging. I feel like for a drugstore brand, there is so much detail that is put into the packaging. Number one, it's sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, vegan, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. This is great if you have skincare concerns, if you're sensitive, if you have environmental concerns. This brand is just very aware and in tune. So I love that. I also picked up I picked up a blush. I only got one of these. There are a couple colors, but like I have so much blush. This is the only one that really stuck out to me that I felt like would have been a great color to try. I also picked up a lip gloss. This is the Sir lip gloss that I got. Now, I love the color of this because I feel like it's gonna be great more so during the winter time. I don't necessarily know if I'd wear like a champagne colored gloss during the summertime, but I feel like it would be great on top of something. And then I also picked up 2 lip liners, and then I picked up a wet gloss. We are going to jump straight into this little mini tutorial where I just kind of talk about the products that I absolutely love, and trust me, there are some products that I just don't feel are worth the money. So we're gonna jump into the next part of this video. I already have my base on, so we're gonna go ahead and just kind of get started with the review. I'm excited to try some of these products because like they actually look really, really good. I'm shocked that I haven't seen this brand in Ulta. It really does amaze me. So I put my base on, did my brows, and I have my eyeshadow kind of already done. I didn't go too overboard with the eyes because that's not why we're here. Kim Chi herself is all over her product branding, which is super cute. This is the shade Translucent. So they were sold out of the banana, which is to be expected because like it literally went viral. And I love the packaging because it has a little quote on the inside. It says, "Set your makeup with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all day slayage, even when you cry." First of all, big girls don't cry, okay? This is so cute. Like, what? It is wrapped in paper and it's got like a little donut sticker right here that's got like a little bite out of it. Packaging is phenomenal. I'm like, what? So this is what it looks like. Really, really cute. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. She does have concealer in the brand. I love the fact that this powder comes with a setting puff, because most brands, they'll just give you the powder and be like, good luck. And then it has the stopper on the inside. No harsh chemically smell, so things are starting off good. I'm gonna use my Dior Forever Skin Correct concealer. So I'm gonna put that on. I'll be right back and we'll do the setting powder. So jumping into this powder, I am going to take the powder puff. Now I'm excited for this because based off of what I've seen online, the girl's under eye is eating. So what you want to do, you're going to get some of that powder on a powder puff. Go ahead and start just kind of swirling it on your hand, because of course once you put it on your eye and it's caked up, it's instantly going to leave it looking cakey. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of stamp it across and just kind of blot and blur. So not bad. Definitely not bad at all. So some of my favorite setting powders typically are, you guys see me use the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. I use that quite often. And then I also use the Huda Beauty, the banana bread. I will say that this powder is competition. It is competition because I don't look cakey. I don't feel heavy. I feel like if I wanted to go back in and bake a little bit more, I definitely could. So I can't necessarily say that I absolutely love the powder puff that comes with it. There's nothing like Old Faithful. These you can get off of Amazon. And I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna do a little bit more heavier baking. So as you can see, I'm picking up more powder, but I feel like if you lay the foundation down at first, and what I mean by foundation is if you do a thin translucent powder layer, by the time you go back in to bake, it doesn't feel heavy or cakey and you can get a flawless look. All in all, I do like the powder so far. We're just gonna jump straight into the bronzer, because the bronzer I was kind of skeptical about. This is called the Thaler, and you know, the color was just very interesting. I like the packaging. So the packaging is super cute. It comes in this little heart. I don't know if you remember, but years ago, Too Faced Cosmetics used to have this same exact packaging, and I only know that because I used to work at Ulta, and I remember their blushes, before they switched over to like the little box theme, their blushes used to come in like this heart color. Now this is the shade of the bronzer. To me, it's giving too light, but we're gonna see. Whoa, I literally dipped my brush into that lightly and that picked up like a lot of powder. So let's see, we're gonna start off with it on our foreheads. So this color is I went to Malibu. That is the name of the color. The bronzer is giving very chalky, honestly. Now, I'm not mad at the color of the bronzer, but because I mean it is pretty light, but my concerns are as soon as I tap my brush into this, you guys see how this has picked up so much product and just caused it to like go everywhere. That to me, I don't like that, because I'm going to waste a lot of product. And although the bronzer was only $15, like if I have to turn around and buy another one like a month later because of this, then I've basically spent the same exact amount as a high-end bronzer. And so I feel like the chalkiness of the bronzer could use some work, but I'm not mad at the color. Next, I'm gonna go in with, so the blush is number 4 Cheeky. Again, this blush has that same exact heart effect, but only this time it is iridescent. This is one of the ones that I saw someone else using that I thought was like really pretty. And normally I would do like a cream blush and then finish with a powder, but because I want you guys to see the true color payoff, that's the only reason why I'm not doing that. Now, the blush is pigmented, okay? It is giving Barbie. The blush doesn't necessarily do, well, a little bit, but just not as much as the bronzer, as you can see. So it does give chalky a little bit, but not as much as the bronzer. And I'm okay with that, because I feel like, you know, with the blush, because it is so pigmented, you don't want it to do what that bronzer was doing, because then it's just going to be too much blush payoff on your brush. That's pretty though. I like that. I'm gonna pop a little bit on my nose, finish blending that out, and we're gonna go in. I'm going in more with this side, which is the lighter pink, because I want that like bubblegum kind of candy pinky tone. Then I'm just using the other side, just the side that doesn't have any blush on it. I'm using that side just to diffuse, so it's not like too much. All right guys, so I pretty much just popped some lashes on. I'm gonna take the root beer lip liner, but I'm gonna take this liner. The packaging is so cute. It kind of reminds me of the KK Beauty liners. Now the only difference is you do have to sharpen these, but it is that plastic material, not necessarily like the wooden. So make sure you have a really good pencil sharpener, because it could get crazy. I like this color, I really do. I didn't think that I was going to, but I do like it. I'm gonna do the wet gloss because I like the way the lip liner looks, and I really don't want a whole lot of color on the inside because I'm like really feeling this look. So I'm gonna do the Miami wet gloss in the center. I really like that. So, oh, this this has a lip plumper in it, so I don't know if it's giving plump just yet because I don't feel anything. So all in all, I really like my makeup. I really like my makeup. I think it looks pretty. It's giving Barbie. I like the blush. I like the setting powder. I like the lip pencil, and I also like the lip gloss. I do not care for the bronzer. You can keep your money on that because it is very chalky. The other lip liner that I got that we didn't use, this one is more of like a, I don't know what you would call that. It's like a brownish red tone. And then the lip gloss was the Nectar. This is the one that I was going to use in the beginning, but opted to go with clear in the center. So this one is the Gloss Lover, and this is what the packaging looks like. So you only get a little bit of gloss honestly, but I want to say they were $6 or $8, so seriously not that bad of a deal. But that is the lip gloss. So it has like a little bit of shimmer to it, a little bit of iridescence. It doesn't smell like anything. There's no vanilla smell, no chemical smell. So all in all, I think that you should give these products a try. I feel like for drugstore makeup, the price wasn't bad. The quality is not bad. As you can see, we did a little slight makeup try on, and the products are definitely giving. So if you were interested in the brand, just know that it's probably going to be a little hard to find the banana powder right now, just because it is viral, and I know that because I like these products that I am going to go back and get that banana powder once it comes back in stock. So thank you guys for tuning in, sticking it out, and thugging it out with me. If you have not already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you guys have the most amazing